To the company law adjudication and appeal series. Today we are discussing ROC adjudication order dated 19th December 2023 in the case of the KED Developers Limited for the non-appointment or not maintaining required number of the independent director in the board of the director, and that is the violation of section 149 subsection 4 of the Companies Act, read with the rule 4 of the Companies Appointment of Director Rules 2014. Let's see the facts of the case. Company having registered office at Pune, Maharashtra, and there is a violation of section 149 subsection 4, and as per the section 149 subsection 4, every listed public company shall have at least 1/3 of the total number of director as independent director, and the central government prescribe minimum number of the independent director in case of any class or classes of public company. And rule 4 for this purpose, central government prescribed rules, company appointment of directors rule 2014, and as per this rules, class of the company shall have at least 2 directors as independent director. Here threshold a limit of the public company, that is the public company having paid up share capital of 10 crore rupees or more, or public company having turnover of the 100 crore rupees or more, and public company in which in aggregate outstanding loans, debenture and deposit exceeding 50 crore rupees. So any of a condition fulfilled, then there is requirement of appointment of at least 2 directors as independent directors in a company. And in case of the violation of this section, there is section 172 attract, and in section 172 says that if a company is in default in complying with any of the provision of this chapter, and for which no specific penalty or punishment is provided therein, company and every officer of the director company who is in default shall be liable to penalty of 50,000 rupees, and in case of continuing failure, with further penalty of 500 rupees for each day during which such failure continues, and which is subject to maximum 3 lakh in case of company and 1 lakh in case of officer who is in default. And let's see the facts of this case, that as per the MCA record, criteria for appointing independent director is fulfilled by the company on account of public paid up capital being 57 crore 10 lakh 81,974 during the financial year from 1st April 2014 to 31st March 2022. The here criteria for appointing independent director fulfilled, because here the criteria is that 10 crore or more paid up capital. In that case, this section 149 section 4 attracts. And as per the record, there are only 1 director in the category of the independent director, and company is not having the required number of independent director from 1st April 2014 to 12th December 2022. However, the said office is adjudicable with effect from 21st December 2020. तो यहाँ पर डिफ़ॉल्ट 1 अप्रैल 2014 से 12 दिसंबर 2022 तक था, लेकिन यहाँ पर ऑफेंस को एजुडिकेबल जो है बनाया गया 21 दिसंबर 2020 से। तो यहाँ पेनल्टी भी जो कैलकुलेशन है इसमें केस में, वो भी 21 दिसंबर 2022 से है. For the companies, the crossing the this threshold limit with regard to paid up share capital as per the financial statement since 2015-16 financial year. Thus, it is mandatory to constitute audit committee also, which is a minimum 3 director with independent director forming majority as per section 177 of the Companies Act. However, the company has defaulted in appointment of independent director on the board and failed to constitute proper balance of executive and non-executive director on the board, and hence there is a violation of section 149 subsection 4 of the Companies Act. Accordingly, adjudication officer issued adjudication notice and adjudication notice to the company and officer default for the violation of the above provision, and a reply to the adjudication notice has been received from the company and its director, stating that the company was continuously in search of a suitable candidate having vast experience in the field of the law, finance, administration, or handling matters relating to the farmers. The company could not find a suitable candidate, and the same has been disclosed in the board report for the respective financial year. And further, the company has requested that not to initiate any action or impose any penalty as referred in the notice. And as per section 454 subsection 4 and education rules, noticee were given an opportunity to submit a reply by issuing an education notice dated 27th July 2023, and to why the penalty should not be imposed against the company and its operational default. And as per the records available, it is seen as under that from the date of 21st December 2020 till 12th December 2022, the company has only one independent director as against the minimum number of 2 independent directors as required by the law. The penalty has been imposed to the key managerial personnel who is in default for the period from 21st December 2022 till the date of the cessation of 21st December 2020. Here is a typo mistake, and till the date of cessation of a KMP, that is the 15th June 2022, and in absence of KMP, the penalty has been imposed on the director for the period from the 16th June 2022 to 12th December 2022. And in the opinion of the ROC, there is no further hearing in the physical is required to ascertain the violation of the said section, and further more the notices are at liberty to file appeal against the order. Hence, this order, as per the records available from the date 21st December 2022 till 12th December 2022, company has only one independent director as against minimum number of the 2 independent director as required by the law, and thus the company and its officer have violated the provision of section 149 and read with the rule 4 of the company education rules, and are liable for the action under section 172 of the act. And exercising of the power here a penalty imposed on the company and director, that is on the company, that is the total delay here counting total delay from the 21st December 2022 to 12th December 2022. There is 721 days, and maximum penalty 50,000 flat plus 500 per day, that is total 4,10,500. But this is the maximum ceiling limit जो है is the 3 lakh on the company. So it says therefore 3 lakh imposed on the company, and on CEO KMP, that is the maximum penalty imposed is 1 lakh, and calculation given in the table. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the 5 director, that is the 1 lakh each on the 3 director, and 87,500 on the 2 director. And on the company secretary, there is the period of default is same calculated as the company, that is the 1 lakh penalty imposed on the company secretary also. And ROC is the opinion that the penalty so imposed is commensurate with the aforesaid failure committed to the notice. The delay in issuance of the order is an account of the other administrative work. Notice applicant shall pay the penalty so imposed through the MCA site, and if referring appeal against this order, may file within in writing with the RD within a period of 60 days from the date of receipt of this order. This is the copy of the order copy, and you may get from the ROC site, or if you need this copy, then please give your WhatsApp number so that I can forward it to your WhatsApp number, or give email ID so that I forward to on your email ID. Thank you so much for watching this update.